For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Wow, we're dancing. Yeah. Even Dada's dancing. You're very kharab. I'm kharab in dancing. Yes, I'm kharab in dancing. I'm also, I'm really fed up. I'm kharab in dancing. I'm kharab in singing. What am I good for, Rui? What am I good for? I'm good for Yash. I produced Yash. That's my big talent. And Yash, what do you think is my strength? Say something nice. What are you doing? You want to stay in Dada's bed only and play? Okay. And what about the little monkeys trying to jump behind you? It's only Yash, not a monkey. Yash, are you a monkey? You're Yash Bhaiya? You've given yourself this title. And if you're Yash Bhaiya, then what is Ruhi? We are where we began our journey. And we want to say goodbye to everybody with the first phase of unlock happening. So we want to say goodbye to Lockdown with the Johars. Yash, say goodbye and toodles. What? What was that? Say toodles. Good morning. No, say toodles. Say bye, I love you. Bye, you're going in a school bag? Okay, say bye, I love you all. Say toodles. I love you. I'll be back with Lockdown with the Johars. Say I'll be back. Okay, and I'll be back. Yash, say I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Say toodles again. Okay, that was a long one. Okay, toodles everyone. I love you all. We all love you from Lockdown with the Johars. Say bye-bye and signing off. This is the last that you will see of us for a bit. I'm playing rapid fire with you. Tell me your most favorite person in this house. Who's the most favorite person? Yash and Ruhi are your most favorite people. You are your own favorite people. You sound like Geet from Jab We Met. Ruhi, if you are an animal, what animal would you be? Peppa Pig. Yash, if you were an animal, what would you be? You would be what? You would be Peppa Park? Okay. And if Dada was an animal, he would be? Wardrobe diaries continue. Oh my god, what do we have here? Ruhi, what are you feeling? Oh god, but why? It's too shiny. Yash, what do you think? Again? Excuse me, what is this you're holding? Whose kurta? This is not Mama's kurta, this is Dada's kurta.
So long farewell, Alvida. Thank you for the abundant love you have all showered on us. We have loved sharing our moments of love and happiness with you and can't wait to be back. Not with the lockdown, of course. This is our final goodbye to Lockdown with the Johars. Yash, can you explain why you are sleeping in this particular cabinet? You're tired. Oh, this is a place to sleep when you're tired. And oh, you have another resident. Oh, do we not give you beds that you've decided to make these into beds, Ruhi? Say bye, I love you all. Say toodles. I love you. I'll be back with Lockdown with the Johars. Say I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Okay, and I'll be back. Yash, say I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Say toodles again. Okay, that was a long one. Okay, toodles everyone. I love you all. We all love you from Lockdown with the Johars. Say bye-bye.